Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Bonnie is over here on the tree sleeping her life away. Let's see if I can show you. Oh, you can't see her. You can see the top of her. Yeah, she's out cold. Well, today is Friend Mail Day, Christmas card edition. I have a few Christmas cards here. I can't show you the front because of addresses and things, but I mean, let me just say that there are some super cute stickers on this one. Oh my goodness. This is from my Wicked Awesome peeps over at Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. Y'all, I feel like such a bum because I didn't send cards out this year. I just didn't have time, and with my wrist being bad, I didn't have the will either. Let me see if I can get it open. But Wicked Awesome Lifestyles is another channel on the platform of the YouTube. They do such fun stuff. They do live Mask Mondays. They do unboxings. There's two of them. It's Erica and Sherry in the channel. Erica likes to find deals and Sherry likes to spend money and show you what not to do. They're so fun. There are two single ladies from the Boston area and they're so sweet. I'm so glad that I found them. They have helped me in my channel so very much. I can't even start to tell you how much they have helped me. They put a lot of the collabs together that I'm involved in and have introduced me to some amazing ladies. So go check their channel out. I'll put a card above and I'll put a link down below so you can go see them. He's a snowman and it says Merry Christmas. Merriest, jolliest, happiest Christmas to you. Gina. Hello, beautiful. Wishing you and your family nothing but happiness this holiday season. We so appreciate having you as part of the Wicked Awesome family. Hope the new year brings you only good fortune. Your friends, Erica and Sherry, Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. XO, Sherry and Erica. They're so sweet. Oh my goodness. So yeah, go check their channel out. You must. It's a must. So the next one I have is also from a channel. This channel is Unboxings by Wendy Jean. She's an unboxing channel like me, and she's not too far off from me. We probably live closer together than anyone else that I know on YouTube. And so I was like, ooh, you know, we haven't met yet, but oh my goodness, one day maybe Wendy. She is super sweet. One of those people that you just know has a sweetheart just from watching them. And I love that about her. Let's see what she sent me. Season's greetings. Oh, look how cute. The snow globe. Hope holiday fun is headed your way. Blessings. Wendy Jean. Unboxing with Wendy Jean. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you, Wendy. Y'all go check her channel out too. It's up here and down there, so check it out. She's so sweet. And y'all, the last one is from the Cat Lady Box. I love that the Cat Lady Box sends out Christmas cards to you. Y'all, I've told y'all so many times how much I love that box. They do so many things that mean so very much, and it's handwritten on here. I can't show you because of my address. Man, I just think the world of that company. I will put a card up above to my last unboxing of the Cat Lady Box. It's so much fun, y'all. I love the Cat Lady Box. It says, Happy Meowlidays from our family to yours, and Happy Meow Year, your Cat Lady Box family. Meowy holidays. Isn't that not too cute? See, I just love it. I love it so much. I love a company that really just thinks of you. Bonnie, did you know the Cat Lady Box sent us a card? And you don't care at all. She's just ignoring everything. She got mad when I first came in and turned the light on. She was like, don't do that. And now she's just slept through the whole day. The whole day. Sometimes I wish I could do that. Anyway, thank you everyone for your cards and wishes. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to go check the channels out and that box. Amazing. I love them. Y'all, have a very Merry Christmas. Be safe. Be cheerful. Be happy and know that you are loved. Y'all, God bless.